Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I'm going to make a flower like this one. If you are making it with a cotton yarn, you can use it as a flower coaster. The beautiful thing about this flower I like is the color in the middle of the petals. So let us try making that. So I'm going to start with a magic circle. Then I'm going to make chain 3, which is equivalent to a half double crochet and chain 1. We are going to make half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, chain 1. We are looking for 11 half double crochet, no, 12 half double crochet including this one, and one chain space in between them. Ten, 11 and 12, and we need one more chain 1, then join to the top of the chain 2, 1 2 here with a slip stitch. Now we can tighten the circle just like that. Now I'm going to cut the yarn. Now I'm going to add another color so we can see exactly how we are going to do. I'm going to use my teal yarn. We are going to bring the yarn with a slip stitch in here, chain 1, then a single crochet in the chain 1 space. Then I'm going to make 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now in the second chain from hook I'm going to do slip stitch. You can go through both loops and slip stitch. So we'll be making 5 slip stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now we go make a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Then we make chain 1, go to the next space and make a single crochet. Then we are going to repeat the same thing. Now from single crochet, then making the chains, slip stitching back and the single crochet in the next stitch, then chain 1, and then again single crochet, chain, etc. So we make like 6 veins like that. So we make 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, and we make 5 slip stitches to the next chains, four and 5, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the next space. So make 6 veins like this, and we will meet again. Now we have the 6 veins, and we are going to slip stitch to the first one, to the beginning. I'm going to cut the yarn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 veins. I can weave the yarn tail to the back. I'm going to weave it fully only at the end. Okay. Now if you look on this side, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the top loop. We are going to attach the yarn to one of the initial chains. I'm going to use my teal yarn. By the way, my hook size is 5 mm. It is medium weight acrylic. Chain 1, make a single crochet in the first stitch, then we make a half double crochet in the second stitch, then a double crochet in the next one, then 2 double crochet in the next one, then we are going to make 3 double crochet in the next one. One, 2, and 3. Now one side is completed, then we are going to go to the other side. So we are going to make 3 double crochet in the other side of the first loop. Then the next stitch we are going to make which is here, to find it, 2 double crochet. Then the next stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet. In the next one we make 1 half double crochet, then we make a single crochet, right? Then we move to the next one, next vein, and make a single crochet. We are not doing anything in between this chain 1 space in the previous round. Then repeat exactly like that. So 1 half double crochet, then make 1 double crochet, then the next one is 2 double crochet, then the next stitch is 3 double crochet, we move to the other side and make a 3 double crochet, Then in the next stitch we make a 2 double crochet, one double crochet in the next one, one half double crochet, then the next stitch we are making one single crochet. Maybe a little hard to do that because I did a slip stitch all over here to come back. Then we go to the next vein, and in the first loop we make a single crochet, then just repeat like this one for the rest of the petals. 1 2 3 4 more petals. We finish all those 6 petals. Now I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Now we can cut the yarn. Lock that one in place. And we will weave that one. All the yarn tails you have to weave in. Now it is all weaved in and looks like this. If you like this pattern, please like, share and comment on my channel, so my little channel can grow. As of today I have 298 subscribers. That's a good win for me, and without your help it was not going to happen. So thank you so much. See you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.